All right, we got a little bit of work. See if we can manage that. Back door is Ram 2500. Easiest pickle, but ready, Freddy. We're gonna go ahead and bottom load it. We're gonna remove the sweeps and all that kind of stuff, but I'm still gonna pre-wet it. I'm gonna get it ready for so that it doesn't it don't give me a hard time when I'm doing the air peel. She's a high truck, so I want every advantage that I could get to have an easy install. Okay, there she is. Video is going to be for one door for right now. I'll upload a lot more videos. Okay, I'm going to put her right here momentarily. I met her. Right now. I do need, I already got all the tools that I need. I'm going to need my sprayer. A rag, perhaps. I already got my other rag here. So let's go ahead and do it to it. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, you know what I'm missing? I am missing my door guard. Even though she's a truck that's kind of like dirty, we're still gonna protect it. I'm sorry. Put it right here for right now. This guy right here, she has this. Let's go ahead and move this out of the way. You can even do it with your fingernails, but sometimes I mess up my fingernails, make them bleed, and I don't like that. There you go. Put it somewhere she don't get lost, which is like, there is a good place. Shit right here. My bad. I'm using this to push this out, and I did. Same thing with this one. Push it out with this shank that I have. I built it just for these little things, for these little scenarios. She goes right there. Okay, so eso. Gonna go ahead and pick that up. It's very sharp, so I'll use this tool, my tool here, to do this, and I'm gonna put it here momentarily again. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put my cover, para que no stay. I don't want to stain the hole. You know, she's kind of dirty and chocolatey as it is, so I don't want to have to be responsible for detailing the damn truck, you know. Not a fan, not a fan. Okay, we're good there. I'm gonna do that there. I do have a rag, this ugly one. Where is it? Shit, where did I leave it? Fuck, where'd it go? I think it's here, no? Here it is, sorry. Damn rag. I'm gonna use it for here. Touch here. The exterior, I'm gonna do this on the interior there, because my film is gonna go through there, and I don't want it to be, well, I want my best chances of getting a cleaner install, right? So let me go ahead and do this guy right here. Boom, boom, boom. Instead of trying to help everybody one-on-one on the internet, which I just can't, my YouTube family is an extended family, and other platforms, they ask me questions on how to do one thing or another, right? And but sometimes I can't stop during the day because I'm busy, and I might forget to go back and show somebody something. So when I do lives like this, it kind of like exemplifies to a lot more people what it is that I'm trying to do and how to fix the problem they're asking about. There she is. We did snap shrink. It's very important to do that so that you can just bottom load this one with the least amount of problems. I'm gonna put that guy right there. Gonna try and scoot it in here without really contaminating the film. I do want it as clean as possible. I'm real picky about my work, so one window at a time, right? One video at a time. If you do that, chances of getting it done right, ¿verdad? Okay, so we have this. We are gonna air peel it, so I'm gonna go. She's already kind of wet all over. You see how the liner just fell off? That's when you pre-wet it. You're just giving yourself a lot easier install ammo, right? So we're gonna do here, and then we're gonna try and work on this side first, ¿verdad? Porque I know that it's hard for her to go in here. I understand those things. So we're gonna do this here first. Do that, and then we're gonna go ahead and do this, like to the right, and then put her in there. And it's a maneuver, but it can be done. That's why I'm showing it. And then we're gonna have this top, and we're gonna have this top do the as nice as possible kind of scenario there. I'm gonna go ahead and use our squeegee, lock her in, and then we do like less intense on the squeegeeing, and then we do it pretty fucking stiff as fuck, right? So that we be up here one time and that's it. I don't like to squeegee 600 times. I'm just gonna do it one time and be done. One good quality pass with a quality product. That's the whole reasoning of dirty tools and why they even exist, huh? Better products, the correct products like these products to go way in there and do that kind of scenario. And then here, I got a little thing going on here, but I'm gonna see if I can fix it a little bit later. As soon as it's dry, I guess I'll trim it. I will trim this. I have to put like a straight edge like this. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and put this guy here. I'm gonna do this all the way around. She's a little bit high. I can feel it right there. We want her as high as possible without peeling back. There she is.
Your tacos are on the way.
Thank you, buddy. You know, it's past lunchtime around here. Snap did it real good. You see all the tension pretty much not be there anymore on the sides or anywhere. And you can see right here, she's clean as a whistle. We don't have all kind of fucking contamination, fucking entrails and all kinds of horseshit that happens to these side things of tint, especially in a truck that is this dirty. So I gave myself enough opportunity to do this correctly. We remove the cover. You see it's all nice and dry, so I don't have to like detail the whole truck. I'm gonna put this guy right here for a second. I'm gonna put this guy to dry right here in the back where she belongs. And we're gonna go ahead and get our thing here. It goes that way, obviously. I'm gonna do her all the way down, and I want to see if that will suffice for what I need. Gonna hold it. Nice job. She is exactly where she needs to be at. Esta cosa va por arriba, it goes over, it has a plastic lip. And that lip is already over, and we're done. There's my window film installation, all the way up. All the way nice everywhere, no finger, no nothing. We're gonna get our hardware. which is this one right here. We're gonna put her in here just the way she was, locked. This little pin right here, put it right here, and she's locked. And then I'm gonna put this thing where she was exactly, which is right there. She does have a guide, a plastic guide that goes in there, and then she's done. Everything's cool as a pickle. I did clean her. That gasket was dry, so it never really got contaminated with water. So I'm just going to clean it. This is my install area. I'm going to clean the window and the exterior and be done. And she does look pretty. Look at her limo. No problems, no excessive dirt here. You know, we did clean it initially. I do see a little bit of water right here on the side. So let me go ahead and press it out right there. There she is. Oh, muy bien, muy bien. Okay. I'm gonna clean that and be done. Guys, have an amazing day.